Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my YouTube family and friends. My name is Stephen Chen for those that are new. So today I'm in my garden, and as you know, I have showcasing you how to grow stuff in your backyard garden. So when you grow stuff in your backyard garden, you have to do the following. First, use your space wisely and efficiently, right? Try to have high yield per square foot. So grow things in buckets, bottles, raised beds, pots, planters, etc. etc. So I have tried all of that. Now and then I will rotate the garden settings, but I have tried all of that. I have planted in boxes. Watch this. So I have planted in containers or pots. I plant in bottles, as you see. I've planted in planters, boxes. I've also planted in boxes. I use raised beds. I planted in raised beds. So there we go. So here I planted containers and also direct in the ground. So I have tried to use my space wisely. I have to use every inch or corner of my back farm. Today I'm going to show you something else I am doing to use my space wisely. And it's something that you can also use in your garden. And that is vertical gardening. I also went vertical, and I'm going to show you in this video from the start the setup of my garden and the planting of the bok choys and the harvesting of these plants. So come along with me on this journey and enjoy. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment in the comment section. So that was my vertical garden. So next time I will show you another trick that you can use in the books to grow stuff wisely and efficiently in your back farm. Okay, ciao.